Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody to Danny or 222 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are looking at a product that is made by GOOLOO. Now, I've been using these guys now for a couple of years, and I can tell you what, every time that they deliver a product, they really truly deliver it. So right beside me here, I have the GOOLOO. This is the GE2000 portable jump starter. What's inside this box right here? This thing packs a comprehensive, compact, powerful punch when it comes to the needs of keeping you on the road. It's better to have it than not need it, than need it, not have it. And best of all, this thing has surprised me time and time again. With this particular company, we get a really, and I cannot stress enough, very compact. This is a portable jump starter, guys, with a digital display. Plus, you can use this thing as a battery bank. And last but not least, we have the flashlight feature, plus the strobe and SOS. But the reason why I recommend the GOOLOO, guys, I cannot stress enough how powerful these things actually are for something that is this size, because it is capable of jump starting an 8-liter gasoline engine and a 6-liter diesel engine with some really heavy duty alligator clips. This thing has me incredibly impressed. This is my first look, and I do want to show you guys and demonstrate the performance of this actual battery. Because if you're looking for something incredibly compact and small in its nature, this is it. This doesn't get much more compact than that. And stay with me, because I'm going to show you how powerful this actually is and what it'll mean for you when you have that emergency and you need the extra jump. So stay tuned and check this out. Now, to put this GOOLOO, the GE2000, into perspective, guys, I want to show you the proof here, right here in the equipment. So we've got a full-size SUV. This is a Buick Enclave. And if I'm going to turn my voltometer on here, we're at 0.825 volts. See that right there? This battery is dead. Now, the nice thing with this particular jump pack, it has a boost feature. Once you press that button, it is going to boost the vehicle's power. So I'm going to go ahead and connect our alligator clip here, right there on our negative side, and we're going to go to our positive side. Now, once we are connected, let's go ahead and turn that guy on. I'm going to press boost. You see that? My voltometer just jumped up to 12.8 volts. And again, this thing is designed to jumpstart an 8-liter gasoline engine or a 6-liter diesel. Let's go ahead and start her up. That's the proof, guys. Right now, we are completely running. Alternator's good, but the battery on the vehicle is toast. And we were able to complete it and jump it right here with the GOOLOO. Let's go ahead and see if it shuts off after I pull the battery out. Nope, we're still good. All right. This is an awesome product. Highly encourage and recommend checking this out for yourself, because I can tell you what, something that is this small, fits in the palm of your hand, easily able to stick inside a door, a glove box, a center console. It is so compact and designed in its nature. This thing impressed me the moment I pulled it right out of the box. The proof is in the demo by itself, guys. The GOOLOO GE2000, hands down, I recommend this. I personally recommend this. The performance and the power of this thing is phenomenal, especially for the size of its nature. And especially the fact that they've got this awesome alligator clip with its built-in safety features. You can never go wrong, especially if you actually hook this thing up incorrectly, because it will tell you that you have reverse polarity. And I love the fact that they have this option for boost to give you that jump when you need it. So if you're gonna get one, highly encourage checking out GOOLOO, guys. These guys know what they're doing. They know how to make a fantastic product to deliver a tremendous amount of performance. Again, the proof was in the demo. Try it out for yourself. I guarantee you guys are going to love it. Thank you guys all for watching.